Open up the vlog with a phone call. And it's popped. Let's see what he wants to. Dude, I feel good. Because why do I feel good? Alright, so I came over here because we're helping Devin. His transmission went out, so we're going to go and change that. They already started the process, and I was coming to give them a tool and some parts. And I pull up, his granddad and his buddies were looking at my car because they don't kept up with the car. I have a misfire. And they figured out that this back coil pack is not firing because my heater hose back here is leaking and it's throwing moisture down into where the coil pack is, and it's not firing. So my problem solved, and all I gotta do is we're gonna try to switch these coil packs out and see what happens. But I need to figure out how to seal that leak or see how much a hose is, so I need to fix that. But welcome to today's vlog. Alright, so right here, the lighting's not too great, but it's alright. We'll take care of it. But that's the new transmission. But the old one's still in the car? Yes. Okay, the old one's still in there. Okay, we need those. Oh yeah, I should have filmed the mishap of why this man doesn't have a lip no more. And there's his nice off-road X, which is looking pretty. I might have to steal his O2 sensors because I need O2 sensors. Yeah, you might not, to be honest. Ooh, got a couple S550s out here sounding good, boy. Alright, so right now we need a 12-point socket. We need a 12 to fit. To fit onto these drop shaft bolts here because they're such a pain in the ass. So
because you made them 12 points.
Yeah, that's Ford. Because Ford decided to do a really hard to get socket, which I'm just gonna buy a whole set, so I have no problems. But we're doing that right now. We got the old Ingersoll Big Daddy. And that was on photo. So we'll get back to you in a bit.
So sad.
Oh yeah, that's how you call out of work. All right, so we got the 12 point that goes for this drop shaft, and we're gonna go ahead and get down here and test fit everything. Got to mark the drop shaft bolts because they have to go back in the right holes. Like you cannot mix. It's the science behind it. I don't know what it means. But you have to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. Did not think I was gonna be here all day, but it's okay because I got the footage for you guys. So we'll go ahead and get down here, get dirty, and get to it. All right, boys. Good day. He's leaving. Bum. So we get the drop shaft out, which was kind of annoying to get. Here's undoing. What are you doing?
I'm doing the shifter right now.
Bro, you should have saw the way he moves when I put him on camera. Alright, but he's doing that, and we're going to go down, get the transmission out, and really stale gloves on there. Like, really stale. It's really bad. So, it don't look good. I look good. Alright, I hope I look good, but we're going to get back to it. This cold start's wild. Alright, dang, you can hear it typing through the speaker. Alright, so far what we got is I got these safety glasses on, dog. We got the bolts out of the transmission. We just gotta get the two top bolts. So when we gotta do that, gotta lower it, use a really long extension to get all the way up there, and then when we get to that, we'll be able to drop it down, swap it, good to go. So that's all we got now. This is our first time doing this, so if you're watching this and you really think we know how to do this, we don't. We're winging it right now and looking up YouTube because we're YouTube certified, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and get back to it, and give y'all an update here in a little bit. All right, so took a little lunch break because we were starving. We ate all day. And we got two-tone TV done popped up in the shop. You know what I'm saying? Now we're about to get back to this. I'm really full, so let's just go ahead and get to it. Woo. All right, I had to tag Cullen in because this is the job for us. I'm a skinny man. You know, big boy can't get in there with these big arms. You know what I'm saying? So they're getting that last part in to get those two top bolts. And we'll get back to you because this is starting to get a little nerve-wracking. Alright, y'all. So we literally got the transmission out. I'm telling you right now, if you have access to a lift, please use a lift for this because right now, that was the worst. Like it was ridiculous. I mean, boys, it was something else. But we finally got it out the car. We just got to transfer some stuff over to the new one, and we're gonna put it back in. This has been a process, man. Like, this is something else. So I'm gonna update y'all in a little bit when we start putting that back in, and gosh, I hope it's a lot smoother this time. Ooh, boys, we're getting there. He's filling her up. It's lit. Ooh.
What time is it right now?
Doctor. Oh, it is like, it is 12:52. What, bro?
I can't wait until I get my green guy.
Ooh, he called all of y'all out.
I hope you caught that.
Ooh. Well, as you saw, the transmission's not in. So, realize this is a lot harder than we anticipated, especially with the space that we have. So, what we're going to do is Colin has a shop in the borough. He's going to take it up there, and he has a lift and a transmission jack, which will help out a lot with this process. And we'll get to you part 2 of this video there. So, until then, y'all, take it easy. And I'll